Hey guys, so in my recent video Lego Robot, the two Lego guys built a Lego robot and I'll be teaching you how to build that robot. So these are the pieces you'll be needing. Add the wheels on the bottom. It can be any wheel. Next add this part. This part's really important. Add the head and the two eyes of course. The mouth so your robot can talk. These are the places where the robot's hands will go. Add two buttons. It looks kinda cool. To make the hands, take this piece and put this piece so your robot can pick things up. Make two of the same. Attach the hands to this place. And there, you've got a Lego robot. Click over here to subscribe, here for more tutorials, and here for another video. Bye bye.